Hey, Justin with Unique Componentry here. Today we're going to go over our quick release aviation tray and some of the options. This either comes with two self-adjusting suction cups. They're electronic, so they'll adjust with the altitude so the dish doesn't fall off your windshield, or two adhesive ram balls, depending on whether you bought the adhesive version or the suction cup version. So suction cups will be in boxes, ram balls will be in bags. It'll also come with an Allen wrench, the frame, and then the quick release tray. And then you get one medium ram arm and two short ones with a double-ended ball. And then these balls are adjustable front to back on the side of the tray. What you'll need to provide is a Starlink Mini with either an Ennzia battery or this is a PeakDo battery. The PeakDo is USB-C rechargeable. The Ennzia recharges with a DC 5521 Starlink charger and the charger that comes with it. So real quick, we're going to go over how to assemble this. So first thing you're going to do is take both of the handles off. So there's two Allen bolts in each handle. Pull that one off. Pull this one off. This will allow you to split the frame in half with two dowel pins. So when you look closely at the frame, you'll see that one side of the frame has a small notch in it where there's no edge lip. That's going to go where your battery is. So we're going to take the two halves, put one half on the dish this way. Again, that little notch goes along the battery. Other half is going to go along the battery also. Line up the dowel pins, the two halves plugged together. And then the handles are going to hold the two halves together. So you take the handles, put the handles back on. Snug those up, no reason to get crazy tight. Put the other handle back on. Snug that up. Now you have the carry handles with your battery installed, batteries locked in by the mount, your USB-C recharger. Then you're going to have your tray. Your tray is going to go in your windscreen or your back window of your helicopter, airplane, whatever you're trying to use this in. Typically on like a A145, we use one suction cup on one side. This is on in a left side installation. And then another suction cup here. If you use the adhesives, you can flip this around, go down, and go to the side of the dash with the adhesive ball, like so. Stick the other ball on the windscreen. Sorry about that. So you're going to have this tray mounted in there, wedge towards the user. Then you just simply take the quick release tray, slide that in, and it locks into place around the battery. So this is mounted in your windshield. Pulls out, take it, do whatever you're going to do, slide it back in. Now with the suction cups, press and hold, we'll turn this on. You have your battery level. It tells you your percentage of hold. Push this button once, you'll hear it running. It'll suction down. You can hear it build pressure. Pressing it again will shut it off. If it's stuck, suctioned on something and you need to release it, you press this button twice, it'll release the valve and the suction cup will come off in your hand. That's all. Email us with any questions at info@uniquecomponentry.com.